Hey, welcome to episode 83 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about a forbearance. Now, if you guys have not tried to do the deferment, please do that first. Ask to try to see if you can get on deferment because in certain cases, depending on your student loans, they won't charge you interest and then they're going to stop the payments anyway. So I would suggest that you guys do that. Now, forbearance is for those people that can't get on deferment. And even if you guys are possibly in default, then you still can actually do this. We're going to go over that in a little bit. But please try to see if you can get a deferment first. A forbearance is actually going to stop you guys from having to make those student loan payments. So this is more of a guaranteed way. Everybody can't do the deferment, but if you can, get in there. That would be perfect. But if not, call to see if you can do a forbearance. Now, again, this is only going to postpone your payments, or actually it can temporarily reduce the amount of your payment. And this is better than actually letting them report late payments to your student loan to the credit bureaus and messing up your student loans. You do not want that to go on. So you definitely want to call them and see if you get a forbearance. And that's after you ask them for a deferment. Now, remember, you will still be charged interest in a forbearance. A deferment, they won't charge you interest, but in a forbearance, they will definitely charge you interest. And again, you might qualify for this even if you're in default. So ask them about it, okay? If you're too far gone, then maybe you got to do like a rehabilitation. We're going to talk about that in one of the future episodes. But definitely try to see if you can qualify for this one, okay? Try to see if you can qualify for the forbearance. And then we're going to go over a few other things in the next episode, still about student loans. So I'll see you in episode 84.